In this video tutorial, you'll learn how you can allow users to edit their comments in WordPress. You can allow users to edit the comments that they post on your website. To do that, in your dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Simple Comment Editing and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. When the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, you get redirected to the Plugins page. Now go to Settings and click on the Simple Comment Editing option. So here you can select how long you want to provide the option to edit the comment. Just enter the number here. I'll leave it at 5. Then click on Save Changes. And let's see how it looks. Now, when I comment something on the post, you can see that I have this 5-minute timer where I can edit this comment. Or delete it, or just click on Save to update the changes. This is how you can allow users to edit their comments in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.